Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai D06. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with the smartphone app. At the beginning, let's go to Play Store or App Store. Now search for 70mai app. Install this app. Open it, and now you have to log in. Now we are logged in. Tap New Device, Allow, and now select Dashcam without screen. Read the tutorial. Please be sure that your Wi-Fi hotspot is on. When Wi-Fi is on, the indicator is in breathing state. If it's normally on, tap the power button to turn Wi-Fi on. The indicator is located right here.
Turning off Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot is off. Turning on Wi-Fi hotspot.
Now Wi-Fi hotspot is on. Select connecting to Dashcam.
Wi-Fi hotspot is on.
Now select 70mai. Enter password. By default, passwords are from 1 to 0, 1 to 9 or 1 to 8. Right now we are connected to device. Let's go back to the app.
Click the power key to authorize.
Click the power key to authorize. And now, when we are connected, press Open Dashcam. Now we have to format the SD card.
Formatting memory card. Formatting succeeded. Auto starts recording.
Tap Got it. And we are connected. Now we can check our album
I have stopped recording.
with normal videos, emergency videos and photos.
Auto starts recording.
We can take photos,
Capture is completed. Capture is completed.
and then we can go to settings. Right here we can manage sound recording, voice control, speaker volume, recording duration, system time. Then we can go to advanced settings. We can check the memory card states. We can perform factory reset, change language, and check version of the camera. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.